Hello guys, good evening. Tuloy po yung palaro. Wait lang po in few minutes ha. Okay, I'll see you. Pabutin muna natin ng 1 minute guys. Tuloy po yung pag-games natin na what's is in the box. Yes, tuloy po, tuloy. Papunta na po ako sa pupuntahan ko, tapos doon tayo live at magpapa-games. So, yeah, I hope to see you there. Namiss ko po yung dati kong manlalaro. So, this time is what's is in the box. Dati hula-hula. Hula-hula kung ano yung pangalan. Ngayon naman ay sa box naman. I think first time kong gagawin to. Kaya see you there guys. I love you.